My daughter is really into potion making, and Magic Mixies has this potion making kit that actually involves a little bit of fun chemistry and has some cool chemical reactions here, which is different than some of the other fairy potion kits that I've seen out there. You know, mostly involve like putting glitter and food coloring into water. Let's see what Magic Mixies has in store here. This one has over 70 potions you can create and all of the materials and ingredients you need to make it happen. Let's open it up. Now this says this is for kids 8 years old and up, so I definitely recommend some parental supervision. Here's the safety instruction manual for the Magic Potions kit. It has all the information you need, including rules, contents. So for some of these recipes, you're going to need things from home like water, vinegar, flour, vegetable oil, salt, milk, some liquid soap, and mixing dishes. It comes with safety goggles. Ooh, look at that. Safety goggles. Better put those on. How fun is this? Clear cauldron mixing cups. Flames on the side. They are made of acrylic or plastic, but they have kind of a glassy feel to them. You hear that? Okay, they also have little markers on them, like I see a 25, 50, and 75, so also measurement markers on these. Next, we've got this handy little mixing measuring cup with a little pour spout. This bag contains labels for the various potion recipes you'll be creating with this kit, as well as the instruction manual and recipe book right in here. This is a pipette and a nice long teeny tiny spoon for scooping out teeny tiny amounts of ingredients. So here's what's left in the box. These are all bottles of the mix-in components that you'll need to make these various recipes. There's nothing particularly aesthetically pleasing about these ingredients. Here's like a sodium bicarbonate. Again, definitely something you'll want parental supervision with. Here's a super absorbent powder. Here you've got some different colors. This is a golden mica, phenol red, yellow coloring, blue coloring, sodium alginate solution. In this larger bottle here, calcium lactate solution. So that's everything in the kit. This really feels much more science-y than the other potion kits that we've done before, which I think is really fun because you get those fun chemical reactions like bubbles, foam, maybe some spilling over. This would be a super fun gift for grandkids, birthday gifts, holiday gifts, and something that actually teaches them some lessons about chemistry and science.